Hello everyone, here Lou, OptionFlow founder. Welcome to this new video. Disclaimer as usual, this is my personal blog. I share my own idea, my experience, what I do with my money. I do not suggest what to do with yours. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. Make your own study, your own research. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not raising money because I'm not a bank or an investment fund. So I only share my experience, what I do with my money and my experience. Okay, this is the disclaimer as usual. So today, what's happening to the Vix, to the S&P? Just sharing my thoughts. Okay, let's see the Vix volatility S&P 500 index in the last few days, as you can see in April, from 13 to almost 1950. Okay, it's a very strong movement. Okay, and as you can see in the last month, in the last few months, 6 months, okay, level was 12, 13, 14, okay, more or less. So this is what is the volatility expected on the S&P 500. So how to read these numbers? A volatility index 18 itself, it doesn't mean anything, okay, because it's not in the last months, but before 18 it's I wouldn't say normal, but kinda, okay, so it's not so high, but an increasing of volatility usually means a correction in the markets. So something is going to happen, okay, probably, and especially a correction on S&P 500, for example. So that's why if you invest directional, okay, so if you buy stocks, buy ETFs for the long run, you should expect that there will be a correction. Okay, so the market is really strong bullish. So a correction, let's see, SPX. This is the 500 S&P 500. Okay, so as you can see, the strongest bullish. So in April, as you can see, volatility index VIX up, ETF SPX down. Okay, so the market is really strong bullish. So I could expect a correction, but a correction for this strong bullish market, it's healthy. Okay, because it's normal and it's healthy. So despite what you can hear, read and see, the crash is coming, or maybe in the future could be historically. There are always crash and booms and sideways and everything, but I could expect not a crash but a correction. Okay, maybe also a correction more than this one. Okay, probably to this area. It could be not. Okay, could happen. So we don't know what's going on, what happens. Probably there could be a correction. So if you are an investor who buys and hold, okay, you should expect you shouldn't worry so much. Okay, but the trend is bullish, so that's why I could expect that more volatility for option investor. I invest in option. I love options because they're the most powerful investment ever created, in my opinion, of course. That I love options. So more volatility for options, it means more premiums. It means also more movement, more underlying movement. So be careful, okay, if you are an investor that buy and hold, or I don't mean a day trader, a scalper, okay? I tell an investor for the long run, or you keep your position for some months. Some big movement, okay, could happen. So be careful in the following weeks, months, okay? What about options? Could be richer premiums. Yes, we could be further from the current price. With I teach investors how to invest in any market scenario. So even either bullish or sideways or bearish. Okay, so I teach investor my OptionFlow method. They know exactly what to do. Of course, some investment have some are suffering. Okay, I made some correction. You can find the video. Yesterday I had a stop loss, and I made a couple of corrections, but some other investments they are like usual. Okay, so nothing has changed. So it depends on how your investment profile, in what kind of investor you are. So what I would expect, I would expect on S&P 500, okay, a bigger correction in the following weeks or months. Okay, I don't know. That's why it's very, very difficult. It's impossible to predict what an underlying could do, and especially the timing. Okay, because there could be a correction. I would expect a correction until 4,600, 4,500. Okay, this movement. It's not a crash. It's not a big deal. It's a healthy correction, in my opinion, because the market has grown a lot. Okay, so don't panic. Just the most important thing is to have a plan, to have a method, so know exactly what to do. But if you buy and hold, okay, don't worry, it could be a correction. So more volatility means usually market down, a correction. For option investor, could mean richer premiums. So options will be more expensive to buy, but also you can collect more premium if you sell options. Of course, it depends on strategy. Okay, because options are two kinds of options, call and put. But the strategy, you can combine this call and put in lots of strategies. So it depends. But higher volatility, it means more movement, more change in the underlyings. Okay, you are investing, but richer premiums. So follow a method, follow your plan, don't panic, don't worry, something happens in the markets, and just follow your rules. Okay, so yesterday I had a stop loss. Okay, I noted in my file. Okay, no, next one, no problem. Okay, if you have a method, follow the rules. So if you want to know how to invest in any market condition, and this kind of suddenly change does not affect your portfolio, your investment style, you can book a free consultation call with me. There is a Calendly link below this video. So we can see together in your specific situation if OptionFlow method could be a good fit for you and for me. Okay, so let's see what happens in the following weeks in the Vix and S&P 500, and see you on the next video. Bye.